Take a look at this question. Consider the following landmarks in Indian education. First, the Hindu School in Calcutta. Second, the University of Calcutta. Third, Adams Report. And fourth, Wood's Dispatch. In this particular question, we have to find out the correct chronological order. First in history is the establishment of Hindu School in Calcutta. The Hindu School is reputed to be one of the oldest and leading institutions for education in India. It was established in 1817 by stalwart educationists like Radhakanta Deb, David Hare, Diwan Baidyanath Mukherjee, and others. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the great social reformer, headed its foundation committee. Its intention was to impart modern education to the young students in European and Oriental subjects. Then in history is the Adams Report. In 1830s, William Adam, who was a Scottish missionary, was given the charge by East India Company to tour and take a look at the education system of the district of Bengal and Bihar. Measures were taken to make the system of vernacular education better in India. Focus was given on teaching systematically, and English education was also promoted. Pandits were appointed who were given the responsibility of 4 to 5 schools in his district. The standard of teaching was improved and new and unique routines were implemented. Focus was given on textbook learning, while female education was also actively promoted. Then in history is the Wood's Dispatch. In 1854, Sir Charles Wood recommended some fundamental changes in the way English was used across India. He supported use of regional language in primary education, Anglo vernacular in secondary education, and English as the language in higher education. The recommendations are known as Wood's Dispatch, which is also known as the Magna Carta of English education in India. The Wood's Dispatch promoted expansion of mass education, increasing number of elementary, middle, and high schools, establishment of universities in 3 presidency towns, that is in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. The creation of a grant in aid system for Indian education was also promoted. Teaching of Indian language was stressed upon, alongside with teaching of English. The government also encouraged women's education at all times. Last in the chronology is the establishment of Calcutta University. The Calcutta University was established in 1857. The Calcutta University Act had come into force on January 24, 1857, and a 41-member Senate had been formed as the university's policy-making body. Therefore, in this particular question, the correct chronology would be: first, the establishment of Hindu School in Calcutta; second, the Adams Report; third, the Wood's Dispatch; and fourth, the establishment of University of Calcutta. Therefore, in this question, the correct answer would be option A. For more informative videos like this, follow Exact IAS.